The DJI Mavic series has carved a niche for itself as the go-to solution for professional aerial cinematography. The Mavic 3 series has garnered immense acclaim for its compact design, intuitive operation, and exceptional image quality. However, with ever-evolving technology and a fiercely competitive market, there's always room for refinement. Here, we delve into the potential upgrades that could propel the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro to new heights, solidifying its position as the undisputed king of cinematic drones. The Mavic 3 series boasts an impressive 5.1K recording capability, but the future beckons with even higher resolutions. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to take a significant leap forward, offering an astounding 8K resolution. This would cater to the burgeoning demand for unparalleled detail in cinematic productions, allowing filmmakers to capture breathtaking visuals that leave audiences in awe. While the current 4x3-inch CMOS sensor on the Mavic 3 delivers commendable low-light performance, a megapixel upgrade might not be the most pressing concern for the Mavic 4 Pro. Instead, the telephoto lens presents a prime opportunity for transformative improvement. We might see a substantial leap to a 108-megapixel telephoto lens, ushering in a new era of image clarity. This, coupled with a potential 10x optical zoom, would effectively eliminate the drawbacks associated with digital zoom, ensuring crisp, detailed telephoto shots that filmmakers can truly rely on. Flight time is a crucial factor for cinematographers, directly impacting the creative potential of a drone. The Mavic 3 offers a respectable 43-minute flight time, but the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to push these boundaries even further. With a potential flight time exceeding 50 minutes, filmmakers will have increased flexibility to capture elaborate, multi-layered aerial sequences without the pressure of a looming battery drain. This extended endurance would empower them to explore more intricate camera movements and pursue creative visions that were previously limited. The range of a drone's transmission system significantly influences the scope of a cinematographer's operation. The Mavic 3 currently offers a transmission range of 15 kilometers. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, however, is expected to be equipped with the OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system, enabling the transmission of 1080p videos over a wider range, potentially reaching a staggering 25 kilometers. This broadened operational horizon would grant filmmakers the freedom to capture breathtaking shots from far greater distances, unlocking new creative possibilities and allowing them to explore vaster landscapes. While the aforementioned features paint a compelling picture of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's capabilities, the exact release date remains shrouded in mystery. Based on DJI's historical 2-year R&D cycle for the Mavic series, a 2024 launch date might be less likely. However, considering the ever-evolving drone technology landscape, it's not inconceivable that DJI might choose to expedite the release timeline to maintain its dominance in the professional cinematography space. In conclusion, the potential advancements envisioned for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro paint a picture of a drone meticulously crafted to address the evolving needs of professional aerial filmmakers. From the power of 8K resolution to the transformative capabilities of a revamped telephoto lens, every anticipated upgrade signifies DJI's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of aerial cinematography. While the official release date remains under wraps, the potential features illuminate a future where the DJI Mavic 4 Pro stands poised to become an indispensable tool for filmmakers, empowering them to capture the magic of the world from a whole new perspective. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.